welcome back to Dan Sucks at Mario.
Oh, you
and
son of a bitch!
Arin.
You told.
Here we go!
Dang it!
Randall's in town.
Oh shit! Randall's in town. What is that? Your battle cry?
Yeah, flipping
Fuck
the finger.
you! Fuck you! Oh god! Oh god! No! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Shouldn't have talked shit. I shouldn't have talked shit. Oh, now I gotta do this again.
Oh my god.
Sorry,
dude.
sorry.
Nice punishment.
Sorry, I talked shit, everybody. I got two Jersey.
0% of anything. Did you take the? You didn't even savor the peelies. You just ripped it off like a barbarian. Game Grumps. Savor the peelies.
Dude, I was at Target the other day, and
Stop bragging.
I've got no money.
Why?
I spent it all on gambling.
Did it kill your parents? It happens 5 times a day.
I'm telling you, when does it happen? In your house?
No, all over the place.
In your house?
All over the place in your house? God damn it, Aaron, you are just
What?
disappearing into shit.
So? That's how the game works.
I don't... There's a part of me that really doesn't want this playthrough to be just this, episode after episode. In fact, that part of me is all of me. What is happening right now?
You know, I'm just.
Where are we?
Oh, I'm totally like.
Oh, God!
If I could somehow help them find cures for incurable diseases, then stop right there.
Yeah. What did I just say? Shut up! I like that enemies, like, this is the only enemy that, like, whoa! He, like, jumps right towards you when, like, you get on his level, bro. You know what I mean? Like, he'll walk away, but as soon as you're like, oh, okay, bad example.
I'm a neural net processor, a learning computer.
Shit! The rumor come out. Does Bruno Mars is gay?
I don't know, does he?
Come right out and say it.
Communicate yourself from our friend circle. It's fine.
Where are you going?
Did it.
Where you go? Where
I
are you?
am.
What is this?
I'm over here.
Okay.
This is where I'm supposed to be.
Really?
Yeah, it's the,
Are you crazy sure about that?
it's-
That does not look like where you're supposed to be. That looks like the end of the universe.
I would say, see? Stuff's appearing. It's for real. Alright, so this is called End of World. I'm
too.
almost 30, man.
That's crazy. Especially since, who cares? Perilous place.
Tamil. Alexander Tamilton.
What are you talking about? What does
man.
Tamil mean?
Tamiled?
Yeah.
I don't know, it just sounded funny coming out of my mouth.
Okay. You just said it with such like, Tamiled! And I'm like, I don't know what that order means.
I'll do whatever you ask, just clarify!
More specific instructions, please.
I don't know, maybe it is a word.
I want you to like,
Gotta go on Urban Dictionary.
all the people are working on Dream Daddy, the dad dating simulator in the other room.
Just come out and shout Tamil.
Yeah, you just like really frantically like in all of their faces.
Tamil!
And they're like, what?
What are you doing, Tamil?
We're all gonna die!
If someone doesn't Tamil right now, things are gonna go to shit! No, germs.
I would assume you just found out about it. As in you did the
What if I told
23 skidoo or whatever it's called.
23 skidoo! Do you want to know what you've been lying to your friends about? 23 skidoo!
What's it actually called?
Give us your blood and we'll give you some dates. Jimmy's got back!
What?
It's all mac and cheese, dude. Rigatoni. Well, that's just a noodle, but if you put cheese on it, then it becomes mac and cheese.
Have you ever taken money out at the ATM at the 7-Eleven near our house?
No.
It's weird. Like, it charges you $3, and then, like, after it gives you your cash, it gives you this sound like you won something at a casino, and you're like, I didn't win shit. This is my own money, and you charged me to take it out. It's just so weird.
Congratulations! You have $3 less.
We've been waiting for you to wake up. Today is football.
Oh, damn it, my fucking drink fell on the floor. Oh, this sucks. And there's limited time, so
Buffalo!
I gotta clean this up.
Buffalo soldier! Dread like Rasta!
Did you point?
In the heart of America!
Did you point?
What do you mean?
Did you point?
What does that mean?
Did you point?
What is, did you-
Oh my god! Why did my guy go that fast? Fuck this shit!
What?
Sucks!
What just happened?
I don't know!
Holy crap!
I think I know what happened. I don't know.
What do you mean, did you point?
Did you point? Did you get points? I don't know.
We are great friends. I consider you my #1 friend.
You're the best. Here, take this stingray hat and put it on your head.
I'll call you Muzu. New, better Muzu.
Nuzu. That's a good one.
King Dora fan! Surely you do not really intend to give this outsider the Zora armor? Countless generations of Zora princesses have gifted that armor to the one they have sworn to marry.
Son, bring this weird stingray thing outside.
Nuzu, dispose of Muzu for my amusement.
Oh man, my life is different now.
You think Tarp will save you? Please pull Ken out.
Fucking goddamn!
Right, keep
I gotta
running.
get the fuck out of here! Holy shit! I'm running the fucking gauntlet, dude! Oh shit!
Okay.
No! I fell down! Ah, shit!
Okay, and we're back. Also swelle.
so swell, eh?
I can't take much longer. How much more?
Longer, please.
Is that one more? You got one more?
Zero. You're
No,
like
it was
in the
not
negative.
zero.
It was absolutely zero.
Huh? Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh! Higgledy fucking piggledy, dude! This is fucking garbage! Who can fucking stand it? Who can stand this? I can't fucking believe it!
Next time on Game Grumps.